modern houses are framed with 2x4s inside the walls behind the driveway.
2x4s are actually 2 inches wide before they're planed. So when they get to you, they're less than 1.5 inches inside your wall.
The centre distance of these two screws is actually going to be slightly less than the width of a 2x4. Even using a stud finder, it's going to be impossible to get both of these two screws vertically into a 2x4. This screw is loose because it missed the 2x4. This one is strong.
I still feel pretty safe with 6 screws rather than 8 holding me up, but I prefer it if there had been 8.